Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about template inheritance. Inheritance is, as you know from OOP, in other name object-oriented programming, if you know it. When you inherit from a class, you take an argument of a class or a generator or a function of a class and use it in your class. That is the inheritance from another class. So we are gonna inherit in our index.html from our theme.html. The theme will be our base theme, where we are going to create a navigation top bar, and we are going to use it in every page. So we are going to create only once this navigation bar, and we are going to implement it to all of the pages. So I'm gonna use a Bootstrap in here. So going to Bootstrap. For example, in here, whenever you go, we are in homepage. If I go to documents, you see the navigation bar is still the same. Or I go to examples, it's still the same. So I'm gonna head to navbar in here. So we are gonna choose just a navigation bar and implement it to our code. But first, let me create our theme.html and create our 5_index.html. And in here, actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete this one. I don't need this one. We are going to just create some blocks, and I will show you later. And we are going to call these blocks in our index. And let me show you curly parentheses, curly braces, and percent curly braces. In here we created our block, but we need to give a name. Since this is a title, I will say block title, and we need to end this block. Simply we are going to just type end block in here, and we are going to call this block from our index, and we will just write our title in between them. But we need to take that HTML file or our template in here. So I'm gonna type extends in quotes theme.html percent curly braces. Okay, so I'm gonna copy these. Let's say inheritance. Our title will be inheritance, and for the body part, let's say block body, and I'm gonna end this block in here. And for this one, I wanna use this form. I wanna use the same code in my previous tutorial, tutorial 4. I copied this one. I'm not in here, block body. Actually, I'm going to rename this one as sign in, because we are here signing in to our web page. So I'm gonna create another one for the index, or whatever we are gonna use this one. So I'm gonna copy these and delete this one. Let's just simply create a p tag or h1 tag and say home page. Okay, and in our theme we are gonna take the Bootstrap codes from here and copy these in here. So first will I use this one? Yeah, I can use this one. I will copy this code from here to here. Okay, and in here I need to use block body and block, and I'm gonna copy not here in introduction. Alright, those three, let's copy this one in here. Okay, and these ones. Alright, and these one to the title in here, or head before title. And I'm gonna create tutorial Python file. I'm gonna copy these all and paste it in here. Close tutorial 4. Now need 3 index in here. Alright. So we are not going to go to 3 underscore index. We're gonna go to sign in.html in here. Right, and we can go to we can render template in here also. 5 underscore index.html, and we need another thing here. Let me check. Okay, let me run this one if I made a mistake. Okay, copy this. Alright, of course I have a mistake. Alright, it says unknown tag in block title and block in here, and block also. Okay, let's save these ones. And block. Oh, all right. All right, we are in our home page, and there are those links in here, but it goes dash hashtag in here. Let's go to home, let's go to link, drop down, and disable. These are disabled. We can change this one, and wherever it's redirects us to, and we can change from here. For example, this is home, and it will redirect us to home page as dash, and alright, whatever here navbar link in here, let's say sign in. If I have to sign in here, refresh this page and sign in. Let's go to sign in page. It redirects us to sign in page, and let's say coder in here. Submit. It says hello coder in user page. Okay, but in here, actually in user, we are just returning a HTML tag, the p tag, in here, I want to just take this one and use it in index. Or we can create a profile HTML. Let's say okay, profile in here. I'm going to copy these ones in here and paste in here. And I'm gonna have a argument. Let's say hello. Let's say you in here. You will be our argument, and I'm gonna just render here. Okay, I'm gonna just render template profile.html in here, and our arguments will be you as a username. All right. Okay, I saved this one and this one also. Let's go to our home page and let's go to sign in, type coder, submit, and it says hello coder, and our navigation bar is in here. Okay, and I'm gonna change one of these as logout or sign out. So in here, no, we don't need these ones. All right. I can copy these and paste it in here actually, and say let's sign in, sign out, and say sign out in here. All right, let's try this one. I saved this one, refreshed it. We are in home page, sign in, coder, submit. Okay, so hello coder. I'm gonna close my browser to check if our session still works. Not this one. All right, let's go to sign in. Yes, our session data in the previous video, it still works. We have 1 minute, and if I say sign out, it will redirect us to sign in page. As you see in here, we are in sign in page, but in here we redirect us to sign in page, but we can redirect us to actually home page, but I'm not going to change this one. So that was it for this template inheritance video, and we added Bootstrap actually, and I showed you how to add Bootstrap, and you can just change these ones for your need. And that's all I'm gonna say. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.